I've been using the Abib Glutathiosome dark spot serum for a while now, and I must say it's become a staple in my skincare routine. This serum is packed with powerful ingredients like glutathiosome, Vita C, and 5% niacinamide, all of which work together to target dark spots and brighten the skin. What I really love about this serum is the unique orange core capsules that burst upon contact with the skin, releasing glutathiosome to tackle dullness and enhance radiance. The serum itself has a slightly viscous texture, but it absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky residue, which is a huge plus for me. Even with the capsules, the serum sinks in beautifully, leaving my skin feeling moisturized and refreshed. I've noticed a visible improvement in the discoloration on my skin. It seems brighter and more even-toned. It fits seamlessly into my existing skincare routine, and I haven't experienced any issues with it. Another great feature is the cooling effect when the serum is stored in the refrigerator, perfect for these hot days when my skin needs an extra boost. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Abib Glutathiosome Dark Spot Serum. It delivers on its promises of targeting dark spots, dullness, and uneven skin tone. I'll definitely continue to use it and highly recommend it to anyone looking to brighten their complexion.